Good day, everyone, and welcome back to the Ralphies. Yeah! So, you guys, today in the Ralphies, I'm going to show you guys how to survive in a pandemic without using a washer and dryer. I'm not going to show you how to dry the clothes because everybody knows how to dry the clothes. You can pin the clothes out, or you can put it into like a drying machine or hang it on the line, clothesline, or something like that. So I'm going to show you guys how to wash your clothes without using a washing machine. So first we're going to turn on our bathtub and fill up our bathtub. You can leave it on a cold cycle. You can put it on a warm cycle. You can put it on a hot cycle. So I'm going to put it on a warm cycle, because I'm going to wash my t-shirts. And I will be using laundry soap. We use this Purex. There's all different kinds you can use out there, but today my wife and myself likes to use Purex. Not a sponsored video by any means. So, as the bathtub is filling up, just fill it up. My wife is saying no. But I'm putting 3/4 of this in.
Half.
Okay, well half, okay. And just put it in, just like so. Just like you would put it into a washing machine. Right? So, you're going to use your arm as the agitator. You know that little thing in the center of your washer? The agitator? Well, this is your agitator today. These bad boys. You can even make the sound of the washing machine if it comforts your mind or something. So we have our water in our bathtub, and we have our soap in, the laundry soap. So now we're going to put in our t-shirts. I have quite a few t-shirts, so I'm just going to wash some t-shirts. I'm not counting. Are you guys counting? So we got that many in so far. So now the washing machine, the agitator, is going to go ahead and mix it up. Who says you can't have fun during a pandemic, guys? You can have so much fun as you want. Not worry about a thing. Whatever's going on outside, don't worry about it at all. It'll all soon be over. So we do have a washing board, scrubbing board, on the wall in our bathroom, but Nadine just uses that for decorative purposes. Because I could use my scrubbing board. I'm not sure if you guys know what a scrubbing board is, but you can take your clothes, put the scrubbing board there, and just go and get it a real good clean, you know what I'm saying? But the agitator is doing a good job today. Don't you guys think? Have you guys ever had to do this before? Let me know in the comments below, please. And let me know how your clothes turned out. So now that we have our clothes washed, we're going to let the water out as the washing machine would work. The water would go out, and then the washing machine fills up again, the rinse, and then I'll come back and show you what else we're going to do. So I'm going to wring out my clothes, and then I'm going to put them to the side as our bathtub is emptying out, just like so. And then we're going to fill the bathtub up with just water, just fresh water, no soap, because we are doing a rinse cycle. Is everybody excited? I know I am, because I'm going to get some clean clothes. These rubber gloves are cutting off my circulation in my hands, but it's all good. Okay, well I guess everything all wrung out, and I guess the bathtub start filling up again, I'll be back. Hang tight. So we're going to turn on our bathtub again on warm. We're going to do a rinse cycle here now, just like the washing machine would do. We have our clothes all wrung out. We're going to take out the excess soap and whatever soap is left in your clothes. So just chuck it in. Yes, bye, just like so. Wow. Do need a washing machine. Yes, bye. Get on your knees. Oh, praise the Lord. There you go. I knocked the fog out of her eye. I hope this video helps you guys. If you guys are having a rough time or whatever, through this difficult time. So what do you guys think? You think I'm better than a washing machine or what? So get any excess laundry soap out of your clothes. Just like so, guys. So simple to do. Get the agitator going again here. So Mrs. Ralphie didn't want to get into the camera today because she is the camera woman. Right, hon?
Yes.
So there you go, guys. All done. Yeah. So you do anything to survive in this world, guys. Just don't give up. There is hope. So now, as the water is going out of our bathtub, just wring out our clothes as much as you can, because this is going to be our final stage, because we could say this is our spin cycle. But it's all going to be good, guys. Perfect clean. Smells terrific, man. Smells perfect, boys. Bring it out. Hope this video really helped you guys. Now we're going to just put it on our drying rack and the clothes will dry in a few hours. So easy, so simple to do. Hope you guys give it a try sometime. If you liked this video today, make sure you give us a big thumbs up. And if you guys haven't subscribed yet, what are you guys waiting for? So until next time, you guys, if you guys would like to see more of these videos, or whatever video you would like to see, more survival videos, more mukbang videos, more vlogs, more, just let us know in the comments below, okay? It'd be greatly appreciated. So you guys, stay blessed. Have a good day. Peace!